home now, this morning, I want to share with you a video that I got on the weekend. And I'm going to share it with you because I think it speaks to a serious problem we have in the country. We have thousands and thousands of public passenger operators. They drive state-owned buses such as the JUTC or privately owned public passenger vehicles such as taxis or charters. And we know we have a problem with the level of indiscipline on the road. And we have been appealing to the people of Jamaica to push back. Yes, when you see the public passenger operator behaving and badly and breaking the law, push back, stand up and say no, no. And they have been reluctant to do so. Some do, reluctantly. Everybody afraid, but they don't want to put themselves at risk. In this video, you're going to hear how a member of the public in a private vehicle, but not private, a taxi, a route taxi, was trying to say to the driver, listen man, the music is too loud and lewd. Turn it down. And let me warn you, the amount of Jamaican choice words he told the drivers, we have to bleep them out. Yeah? So the bleeps you hear, yeah, let me warn you, are the choice words, the Jamaican bad words. We cut them out. Yes. But I want to share it with you because one, all right, watch and listen.
Indiscipline taxi driver.
Don't turn it over there. Walk come out. Because we don't the idiot thing. Well, we don't idiot thing. I'm not driving with them in conjunction with them back and guys and them man. That's why we don't drive. We drive on man. We don't drive. JUTC play music. Throw me out, you can't program me out, throw me out. Hear me. You come in here, come problem and false. You tell me on our phone. Not inside of the vehicle. I'm driving a silence, please. So you let me out. Give me my money. See your money here. Please yourself. You not no problem. People, see the taxi here. See the taxi and they don't drive in there. See the license plate there. See the license plate there. The license plate number there. What kind of vehicle is someone that drive with a bag of knives and people that you can't tell me turn on the music?
Yes. I want you to put about that video and that taxi, you know, because that Jamaican man must be supported by us. He did the right thing. He showed courage. Yes? When others remained silent. PM0466. PM0466. Don't support him. Yeah? Don't support him. Because that is what we're trying to get rid of in the country. It is a public passenger vehicle. You conduct yourself with decorum, with decency, acceptable behavior. And what did he do? He tell the passenger a whole string of bad word. Because the man is saying, turn it down, turn it down. Huh? And you know, the other people in that taxi remains silent. When more of us speak up, we're going to get the change. They're going to have to adjust. But when we accept it, he feels empowered. And that man, I want to single him out this morning. I don't know him, wherever he is. If he is listening, tell him he did the right thing. And the majority of the Jamaican people, well-thinking members of the public, agree with him. Yes? And more of this we need. More of this. As we go to the break, you play that video. Time for the break.
Indisciplined taxi driver.
Throw me out, the program here, throw me out. Hear me. You come in here, confront problem and fault. You tell me on our phone. Tired of the vehicle. I want me to drive in a silence, please. So let me out. Give me my money. See your money here. Please yourself. Me not have a problem. People, see the taxi here. See the taxi and they don't drive in here. See the license plate here. See the license plate here. The license plate number there. What kind of vehicle is someone that drive with a bag of nice people that you can't tell me turn on the music?
Hall? Yes. The Constabulary Force and the JDF are reporting that they seized cocaine, 2,544 kilos of cocaine, valued at 1.3 billion Jamaican dollars. Where? About 10 miles southeast of Treasure Beach in St. Elizabeth on Saturday. Somebody business mash up. Somebody business, coke business mash up. This is a whole heap of cocaine. Yeah. The police say they have seized or detained 3 persons. 3 men been detained, but none of them has been charged yet. They're still being questioned. But according to the police, the Maritime Air and Cyber Command Unit of the Defense Force, the JDF, seized 2,544 kilograms of cocaine after intercepting a vessel approximately 10 nautical miles southeast of Treasure Beach, St. Elizabeth, on Saturday. Well. According to the official statement, during the operation, the JDF also seized 18 fuel drums, 1 go-fast vessel with 3 outboard engines and drug paraphernalia. Can you imagine? Valued at 1.3 billion with a B. Yes. All right. There's also news from the Financial Investigations Division arresting and charging 3 people in connection with a multi-million-dollar bank fraud and suspected money mule operation. They've charged a 24-year-old Ashanti Johnson, 37-year-old Kevin Bentley, and 54-year-old David Brevet. They were arrested and charged under the Proceeds of Crime Act, the Larceny Act, the Cyber Crimes Act, after coordinated operations by lawmen and women between March 17 and 19 across Kingston, St. Andrew, and Clarendon. And the FID is appealing to Jamaicans not to use or allow your accounts, your bank accounts, to be used to receive money or withdraw funds on behalf of others. According to the FID, young professionals are particularly vulnerable job seekers, and unemployed people. They're urging those people to be cautious. It says criminal networks often target people with promises of easy money, part-time payment, processing work, or requests to help move funds using personal bank accounts. Don't do it. Don't do it. The Chief Technical Director of the FID, Dennis Chung, says, listen, man, what may appear to be a harmless favor or quick financial opportunity can make someone a key link in a fraud or money laundering chain.
Fraudsters and money launderers rely on established accounts to move illicit funds at scale. The use of money mule accounts therefore helps to conceal key players in criminal networks. The public is urged to exercise proper due diligence when accepting deposits on behalf of others, particularly when it involves sharing debit cards or PINs. The Proceeds of Crime Act defines criminal property as property obtained through criminal conduct and criminalizes all handling of such property. If you possess, transfer, or facilitate the retention of criminal property, you will be charged.
You have been warned. You have been warned. If it's too easy, if it's too good to be true, believe it. Something wrong. Time for the break.